Why does your scanner show the P2017 engine code? What does it mean? P2017 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner, position sensor or switch circuit high bank 1. It indicates the PCM detects an abnormally high voltage in the position sensor circuit for the manifold airflow control device. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Intake manifold runner position sensor. Intake manifold control valve actuator. IMRC actuator relay. Wiring harness. Powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Nissan, Dodge, and Infiniti models manufactured after 2003. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.